So, the play that I was doing at my school, McCarthy Middle School, was Honk Jr., where I was Drake, the father. So I'm going to sing my opening number. In our patch behind the farmhouse, where the pace of life is slow, there's a website where just real verbs are used. We spend days the way ducks oughta, eating bread thrown on the water, in a way that keeps the younger kids amused. In our land, both green and pleasant, every bantam, duck, and pheasant, if they had them, we'd be walking arm in arm. For our life is good and steady till we're plucked and oven ready. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. There's a turkey with a gobble, watch his legs begin to wobble, 'cause Thanksgiving is some cause for some alarm. We got pullets, we got chickens, we got quails, and what the dickens? It's a poultry tale, folk down on the farm. What a gorgeous vision this is. It's Ida, she's my missus. So forgive me if I'm lying on the smile. She goes in for heated cracking to point out the skills I'm lacking. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm.